Meaning of humourless.
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 Humourless. The term humourless refers to a person or situation that lacks the ability or inclination to appreciate or create amusement. It can be used to describe someone who is serious and takes things too literally, often lacking the ability to see the lighter side of life. Such individuals may struggle to understand jokes, sarcasm, or irony. Being humourless can lead to social awkwardness and difficulty in relating to others, as well as a tendency to take oneself too seriously. In short, a humourless person lacks the ability to find joy and laughter in life's everyday moments.